And here we go on the second day right after the trading session, and today I have a very small loss, but it is a loss and I want to be very transparent during the course, and I want to show you that no matter which trading system you are using, no matter how much you master it, there will be always losing days and you have to embrace it. And most importantly, you should not really feel pain after that or feel disappointed. It is part of the trading to have losing days. So let's see what I had today. It is Friday, and usually I try to avoid Fridays, okay? If I have something else to do, I would prefer to do it on Fridays, because Friday the market is quite risky, volatile. Huge companies are taking profits from the weeks and they are making huge transactions. For example, huge company in the States that is operating in UK or in Europe would prefer to take their profits at the end of the week or the last day of the month, and they would buy huge amount of dollar against the pound or the euro, for example. And that's why on the last day of the month and on Fridays it is a little bit risky to trade, because there are huge transactions going on and the market is not very friendly. However, it is a trading day, and if you decide to trade, you can do that. Now what I had today is Euro Aussie trade. Right after the opening of the market, you will see that Aussie was the strongest, Euro and Swiss on the bottom, and I had a very nice entry. What happened after that, I have placed my stop loss, which I've placed initially at a very good level above these recent highs, and it was at a safe place. Right after that, Aussie kept being really strong against the others. Euro was at the bottom, but not at the very bottom already. And you will see that I have placed my take profit a little bit lower, right at these bottoms, not very visible in this case, but right in here. Okay, we had one time, it is just this week here, and another time, and these are just spots where the price found a support, and I wanted to place my take profit above these support levels, so I have placed it right at this level over here. But we had the speech from the ECB President Lagarde, and I wanted to end up this trade before the speech, and you will see that the price went in my favor. If I move forward a little bit faster, you will see that Euro Aussie went in my favor. It was approaching the take profit, and then what happened, I had this double bottom formation right in here. Okay, so I've placed these two arrows and I had a high low, and at this moment I had to take the decision whether I will keep the take profit and the stop loss where they were. Two, I would take the profit manually because I had this double bottom and a little bit even high low, which is a sign of a stronger euro against the Aussie. Or three, I can move my stop loss right at the entry and leave the take profit and leave it risk free, and this is exactly what I decided to do. So you'll see that my stop loss already moved a little bit above the entry, above these candlesticks. And I'm not really a fan of break even to put the stop loss at the entry, because your entry doesn't matter for the market. Okay, wicks, tops, bottoms, this is what matters for the market. And if you have some bottoms or tops like this small top over here, this bullish M1 candlestick, I would prefer to put my stop loss above that, giving it a few pips, but not exactly at the entry. However, what happened after that, the price went above and the stop loss was hit. I had a very small loss of $10-12, which is nothing in 10k account, but I took the decision and I don't regret it. Okay, I risked a very small amount because Aussie was still on the top, and I think there was pretty good chance for the price to reach my take profit. However, one more time I want to show you that formation, and you can see that during the trade I have placed the two arrows showing me that there is support at this level, and taking the profit anywhere in here with 0.5%, $50 would have made sense, but I preferred to lower the risk and move my stop loss above this candlestick and keep the take profit. But Euro Aussie went upwards and I was stopped out, which is totally fine. As I say, it happens that there will be losing days. Of course, if you can maximize your loss is ideal because you don't want to give a huge percentage. One more time, very important, is don't regret on your decisions. At that moment I took that decision, so for me that was the right decision. And looking at it, what happened after that, I can take some conclusions to improve my trading, but do not regret about it.